Hey everyone, and welcome to Explore Your Roots. Today we are starting a new segment called Photo Restoration Tuesdays, and I'm going to use Photoshop to restore an old photograph using a few tools such as the patch tool and the clone stamp tool. I've done a tutorial on how to use those, so I will leave a link to those videos in the description. And this here is a picture of my second and third great-grandmothers, Emma Lara King and Phoebe Lara Bentley. I've done an episode on Phoebe Lara Bentley, and we'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to learn more about this picture and her life. Alright, let's get started.
Brother, see you over there. You know what I mean? I'll meet you over there.
And there it is, a quick and easy way to fix up an old photograph. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you liked this tutorial, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment on some other techniques you'd like to learn. Subscribe to us on YouTube and Apple Podcasts, follow us on our social media pages on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and we'll see you next time.